Hello, Moondoggie here, and welcome to a tiny little reaction from a viewer slash YouTuber, Troy Preston, voice actor, and his channel, and he's been a supporter of my channel for a very long time since I started my channel, which I am very glad that he has been with my channel since then. So I'm very grateful for that, and he's requested me to react to one of this is his latest video that he came out with. So I'm like, hey, why the hell not? I mean, you know, the least I can do. So with that said, everybody, let's check it out. This is Michael Jackson's "You're Not Alone." So see what it is.
This is for a couple.
Whoa. Oh. Hold on, I know what happened. If I do this, there we go.
This is for a couple of cats my family lost last year. I've been trying to think of what to do to honor their memory, and this song kind of came to my mind. They're in a better place now. Their names are Gizmo and Sarabi, and I'll leave links to their videos in the description below. So the song I'm going to sing is "You Are Not Alone" by Michael Jackson. Please support the official release. Another day has gone, I'm still all alone. How could this be? You're not here.
I feel like I'm gonna get copyrighted just for the music in the back. I'm not laughing at him, I'm laughing at the fact I could get copyrighted for the music in the back.
Did you have to go and leave my world so cold? Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Someone whispers in my ear and says, you are not alone. I'm here with you, though you're far away. I'm here to stay. You are not alone. I am here with you, though we're far apart.
Oh, cause I was still thinking like, what that's supposed to happen? Cause it shifted.
Just the other night, I heard you cry, asking me to come and hold you in my arms. I can hear your prayers, your burdens I will bear. But first I need your hand, then forever can begin. Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Something whispers in my ear and says, you are not alone. I am here with you, though you're far away. I am here to stay.
Why is this zooming on his tail? Stop it. I don't know. I mean, I'll tell you after this. Hold on.
You're always in my heart. Whisper 3 words and I'll come running. And girl, you know that I'll be there. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away, I'm here to stay. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though we're far away apart, always in my heart.
That's the about there. So what I'm gonna do, which I'm curious. Alright, then. Wait, what? What's the third link for?
Here's the kitty playing with the computer, and he's on YouTube.
Oh,
Kitty.
oh, are you referring to the cats? Oh, oh, that's sad. I actually I was kind of like stuck in not like mixed emotions or anything like that, but I was confused because this whole time I'm thinking he was talking about people and he was talking about his cats. I hope that's what he was talking about. But if he's talking about his cats, I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that because my mother just recently lost both her dogs, so it's rough. It's very rough, and trust me, no one's ready for it, and I'm definitely not looking forward to the day where it's time for my three cats to jump ship, and I'm not looking forward to that. But you have my condolences, and I really hope things are, slowly healing. Well, they'll never heal, but hopefully things are like managing in some form or fashion for you. With that, I did enjoy the video. Granted, I couldn't take it serious, and I'm sorry for that, cause I'm sorry. Like at certain parts of the video, I couldn't tell you were just trying to take a stab at the people watching, or you were just trying to like break tension or something. I don't know, but I enjoyed it, and it was really good. So with that said, everybody, please give Troy, Preston, your moment of silence for his cats. I'm really sorry about that. And with that said, everybody, that is his reaction. You can check it out on his channel, and I'll also post a link to him down in the description below. Until then, everybody, thank you all for watching, and please continue on watching. And as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.